Caliper maintenance. Dirt, mud, water from the road, rust, and dust from the brake pads can make your slider and piston get stuck. It can cause higher MPG and premature wear of the disc and the pads. It is very important to look for the early signs and prevent these by carrying out a cleaning and regreasing of the pistons and sliders at least once a year and when you replace your brake pads. Only use special brake cleaner and high-temperature resistant brake grease. These products are specifically created for the brake system and will make sure that the grease doesn't get on your discs and pads even when it is very hot. Pro tip: don't use a jet wash directly on the brake calipers, as you will remove the grease from where it is important. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a like. If you would like to see similar content, please subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications.